So we can have part A. We can draw what's going on. Um, we'll have this. We'll have this. My apologies. This triangle here. Okay. And so we're going to say that this would be velocity of the car, 1, relative to the street. This would be the velocity of car 2, relative to the street. And then if you wanted to draw the vector arrows, and then if you were to draw a vector arrow from this point to this hypotenuse essentially would be the magnitude of the velocity of car 1 relative to car 2. Relative to car 2. So we can say that velocity of car 1 relative car 2 is going to be equal to it would be here, it'd be 35 squared, which would be car 1 plus negative 55 squared. Here, car 2, the magnitude of the velocity of car 2 relative to the street becomes negative 55 because the resultant vector, car 1 relative to car 2, is going the opposite direction of the car 2 relative to the street. So if that is going the opposite direction, we need for the magnitude of the car 2 relative to the street to be a negative velocity. And again, all of this is going to be to the 1/2 power. And this is giving us 65.2 kilometers per hour. And then we can say that theta will simply be equal to arctan. Tangent is going to be opposite over adjacent. So we can say that this is going to be equal to y over x. So it would be arctan of y over x. So negative 55 divided by 35. And this is going to give us 58 degrees. And the direction will be west of north. Now, for part B, it's the exact same thing. So, however, now this arrow is pointing the other way. So this would be the velocity of car 2 relative to car 1 instead of car 1 relative to car 2. And again, this is still car 2 relative to the street. And then this is car 1 relative to the street. So we can say that the velocity of car 2 relative to car 1 is going to be equal to 55. And again, the velocity of car 2 relative to car 1, this is going down. So for the magnitude of the velocity of car 1 relative to the street, this is going to be negative. So it'd be negative 35 squared. And then all to the 1/2 power, of course. And this is going to equal 65.2 kilometers per hour, which makes sense because this would give the same answer. This would give the same answer as this. And so we can say that theta, our angle measure, is going to be arctan of y over x. In this case, it'll be negative 35 divided by 55. And this is going to equal 32 degrees. And then this would be south of east. So this would be our answer for part B. And this will be your answer for part A. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.